See, the High Court has passed an order today refusing to grant stay on the reservation. However, the High Court has admitted the petition and kept the matter for hearing in the month of September. So, as far as the admission process is concerned, the admission process will be completed based on the reservations which are provided by the state government. So, as far as this year is concerned, the reservation will continue. There is no stay by the High Court. That is the situation.
And the High Court has even not said that these admissions will be subject matter of the petition.
No, nothing of that sort. So, I think this year the reservations will go through and the admission will be based on the reservation as provided by the government, that is to an extent of 41% at PG level in GMC. 41% seats of the postgraduate seats which are available for state quota will go to the reserved category and 59% will be for general category.